The Allow Mobile Access error in the Tesla app occurs when your phone fails to connect to your Tesla vehicle via Bluetooth. This connection issue blocks essential features like keyless entry, remote start, and mobile access to climate controls. This has been a recurring problem since Tesla introduced mobile access features around 2019-2020, frequently triggered by software updates to the app or vehicle firmware. Even with the latest Tesla app version 4.30.1 or higher on iOS and Android and vehicle software v2025.32.1 or later, approximately 15 to 20% of users continue to encounter this error. In the following sections, we'll guide you through step-by-step solutions to resolve this connectivity issue and restore full mobile access to your Tesla. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone. This is essential for the Tesla app to communicate with your vehicle. Next, verify the Tesla app has the necessary location and Bluetooth permissions. Without these, the app cannot establish a connection. On iOS, navigate to Settings, then Privacy, Location Services. Find the Tesla app and set location access to always or while using. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesla, Permissions, and enable Bluetooth and location access. On your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Software, and ensure Allow Mobile Access is enabled. This tells your car to accept connections from the Tesla app. First, tap the Controls button on your touchscreen to access vehicle settings. Next, select Software from the menu options that appear. Then, make sure the Allow Mobile Access setting is enabled. This allows your car to accept connections from the Tesla app. If it's already enabled, try toggling it off, waiting a few seconds, and then toggling it back on. This can refresh the connection. To troubleshoot Bluetooth connectivity, start by checking your phone's Bluetooth settings. Look for your Tesla listed as a paired device. If it's there, this indicates a previous connection attempt. If your Tesla appears as a paired device, unpair or forget it. This clears any corrupted connection data and allows for a fresh start. On Android devices, tap the gear icon next to the device name and select Forget or Unpair. To repair, go to your Tesla's touchscreen and navigate to the Bluetooth menu. Select Add New Device to generate a unique pairing code. Then, in your Tesla app, scan this code or enter it manually to establish the connection. Finally, ensure no other devices are interfering with the Bluetooth signal. Move away from Wi-Fi routers, microwaves, or other Bluetooth-enabled devices during pairing. This helps maintain a stable connection. Ensure you're running the latest version of the Tesla app. Check the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android updates. Also check your Tesla's software by going to Controls, then Software, and look for any available updates. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues that trigger the Allow Mobile Access error. Tesla releases updates regularly that improve Bluetooth stability. If updating the app and vehicle software doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting the Tesla app. First, force close the app on your phone completely, then relaunch it to clear any temporary glitches. If the problem persists, perform a Bluetooth reset on your Tesla. Navigate to the touchscreen and go to Settings, then Controls, Service, and select Bluetooth Reset. This can clear software conflicts affecting the connection. For older Tesla models, consider a full system reset as a last resort. Access this through Controls, Service, Factory Reset on the touchscreen. Be aware that this will erase all your personal settings and preferences. These reset options can resolve persistent software conflicts. Always back up important settings before attempting a factory reset. Bluetooth interference from other devices like smart home gadgets can disrupt the connection. Move away from potential sources of interference to improve pairing. Poor cellular coverage or weak Wi-Fi can affect the app's ability to connect. Check your phone's signal strength and move to an area with better coverage if needed. If you're using a VPN, it can sometimes interfere with the Bluetooth connection. Temporarily disable your VPN to see if that resolves the issue. If none of the previous troubleshooting steps resolve the Allow Mobile Access error, contact Tesla support for assistance. Use the Tesla app's support chat, visit the website's contact page, or call support directly. Tesla's support team can often remotely diagnose and fix the issue through the vehicle's software. Tesla has integrated AI-driven diagnostics into their support system, allowing for real-time analysis and resolution of connectivity issues without requiring a service visit in many cases. Looking ahead, Tesla is moving toward biometric authentication methods. By 2027-2028, facial recognition and fingerprint scanning will likely replace traditional Bluetooth pairing, potentially eliminating the allow mobile access error entirely. This evolution points to more seamless, automated vehicle connections with zero-touch setup.